Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add thumbnail in YouTube videos in mobile. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have logged in into your YouTube channel on your browser, because this is so important. You need to go on the three dots, and then also you need to get up to your desktop side. This is much more important on that selection. Now what you need to do, you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to go files for your channel section, and when you get up to that section you're gonna be able to just tap on it and upload a video. When you get up this uploading video, you need to go select files. We will go and select this file, for example, and you need to wait to get through this simple. And now guys, if you zoom in, you're gonna find out a thumbnail session. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and a viewer draws viewers attention. Go through it and it will says to add custom thumbnails, first verify your phone number. If you doesn't have verify your phone number, just go for verify as me, and then you're gonna be able to get to add thumbnails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.